How to remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can remove WhatsApp button from the Facebook page. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Facebook application, and if you're logged in with your account, now you have to switch to your Facebook page. For that, tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side corner with this three-line icon. Now, under this menu, there you will have an option to switch to your Facebook page. Simply tap on it. Now, once you have switched to your Facebook page, you have to navigate to the profile page. Again, tap on your profile icon with three-line icon from the top right-hand side corner of this interface. You will land in menu page. Now, to get to profile page, tap on your profile icon. Here you have landed to your profile page. Now, under your profile icon, you will find a three-dot icon on the right-hand side of your screen. Tap on it. You will get to page settings. And if you navigate through this option right here, there is an option as edit action button. Tap on it. And here, you will be able to view all the action button that you have added to your Facebook page. Now, if you would like to remove your WhatsApp button, there is a remove button next to the WhatsApp option. All you have to do is simply tap on it. And with that, the WhatsApp button is now removed from your Facebook page. So that's how you can simply remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.